Hello, my student. Welcome back to my lesson. Do you want to improve your pronunciation in speaking Japanese? If yes, I promise that you'll gain more confidence after watching this video. Pronunciation Lesson 5. This is the last lesson of the basic Japanese phonetics. Let's go! Today you'll learn the Japanese phonetics ra, ri, ru, re, ro, wa, wo, and n. Let's revise the vowels. A, I, U, E, O. Okay, let's learn L sound. This is the most challenging one for you, but anyway, let's try first. The alphabet R is used, but there is no equivalent of English alphabet. It's like an articulation between L and R. So I'd like to make a new letter like this. Okay? Repeat after me. ra, ri, ru, re, ro. One more time. ra, ri, ru, re, ro. Okay, let's go one by one. Repeat after me. ra, ri, ru, re, ro. You go first. ra, ri, ru, re, ro. Okay, good. Now, let's say the words aloud. Say it first. I follow you. Sakura. Matsuri. Next, with w sound, but this is very soft in Japanese. Wa for wasp. Wo for walk. But please be careful. In many areas in Japan, people no longer pronounce w, and they pronounce it o today. So in this lesson, let's just practice as o. You go first. Wa, o. One more time. Wa, o. Okay, let's try the words. You try first. Kawa. The last one is n. It doesn't take any vowel. Repeat. N. N. Say this. Good. Shinkansen. Okay, in today's lesson, you learned ra, ri, ru, re, ro, wa, o, and n. As you know from lesson 1, hiragana is one of the Japanese scripts, and it's phonetic and systematic. I'm sure you equipped good pronunciation after these 5 lessons. I prepared lots of practice for you because it's like building muscles. At the same time, you can build up your vocabulary as well. If you want, please have a look at the link below. You'll be able to pronounce like a native speaker. All my students find it useful. Wow, you did it! You're the master of Japanese phonetics. And thank you so much for taking my lessons. Thank you very much for learning Japanese with Arai Academy of Japanese Studies. I hope now you feel more confident with Japanese pronunciation. If you want to become a confident speaker, I recommend you to practice more before you forget. I'll be happy to welcome you to my academy. Just click the subscribe button below. And enrich your life. Did you enjoy my lesson? If yes, I do appreciate for your click on the like button and share the video with your friends. Your actions will motivate me to make more lessons for you. Please check my blog on my website and my photos on my Instagram and news on my Facebook page. Good luck in your Japanese study and see you on another lesson.